47. الساعة 47 الليل طبعا.
Actually tastes so good.
هذا افطاري. What's up?
It actually tastes so good.
I know.
Well, now we know to come here if we want this.
Yeah, drive like 2 hours. Hey guys, so we're at this arcade.
Round one.
Temecula. Yeah, round one.
It's looking so far.
Yeah, I've actually been here before with Izzy and Kylie. It's like an arcade, and also there is like karaoke places, and there's the bowling over there. Yeah. Which is really, really, really nice, guys.
5 seconds.
Okay, go.
Right here? Is that good?
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Come on, please.
Yes! It's okay, do it again.
Again? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm so close.
Yes, you're close. Do you want the green one? Wait, I advise you not to get ones that are near this because it will catch on to that. So
It's so close though, that's the thing.
So do that one. Or the I advise you because it will catch on to this.
True.
And it will like slip.
Okay. Let's go. So this one?
Yes. Yeah.
Please.
Yes. No!
I'm gonna try.
Go ahead,
I'm
go
gonna try. I feel like I can do it. We have 93 credits left.
Okay, that's fine. Last try, you got this.
Oh my god.
Be careful so that.
That's
Oh,
probably not gonna
fuck. Oh, yes! Yes!
I told you! I told you!
Let me see. That's so cute! It's so adorable!
Right now.
Yeah.
I knew it! I was like, it's gonna come out. I don't fucking care.
I believe in you. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm trying to get... Very excited.
I'm so excited.
And the plushies were so...
Yeah, the plushies are so adorable. I took a picture. Like how adorable, guys.
It's so
So
cute.
cute. So pretty.
Hey guys, so the karaoke room is really full.
3-hour wait.
Oh, we had to wait 3 hours. So
I'm
we
not
said
waiting 3 hours.
no. Hell no. So right now I'm trying to get Sophia this. This
Yes!
is so cute.
I'm being choosy picked.
You did not say that.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna slide it. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, go. Yes, go. Yeah. This is really shining through right now. Please. That is so... That's so neat.
What about one of these? Should we try this one again?
Yeah.
I think this would be hard to get actually. She couldn't get it. So let's do
You have to get one that's like really...
this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll do this one.
Okay.
You gotta catch the head too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Wait, can you?
Yes. You got it. Okay. Let me see. see it from this portion. Okay, that's good. That's good. No! Oh crap!
I'm not gonna try to make it. You got it.
It's for Shawnee Mayo.
Yes. A little more, a little more. More. To the right a little more? Or right? Yes.
Okay, should I try? Right now?
Yes. Yes.
Jesus love.
Oh shit. Yes. Oh. I'm satisfied with what I have so far.
I need a big blush.
Wait, let me show them. Yes. 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 Oh my god. That's such a scam. It didn't grab it. Remember how mine they grabbed it? Let's look for machines that... What machine did I use that was grabbing this?
I know.
Do you want to go see it again? Yeah. Huh? It's just, if you want another one, go ahead. I'm satisfied with what I have so far.
I need a big blush.
Wait, let me show them. Guys, look. So, she got this one,
Oh yeah.
and she put it in her bag. And then I got this, and I put it in my bag. We have a matching one. Yay!
Guys, I'm gonna get this one. I have to do this.
And oh my god, I got this. Oh. Which I've been wanting it. It's so cute.
I never want this. I just want to wear the blushy, bro.
Oh, we only had 10 credits? We could get more.
Let me see.
We could get more. We could get more. Let's go. Let's
It's just so funny. I'm getting addicted. I need the freaking
I know.
capybara. This is the one I want.
Okay. I believe in you. Same one. Isn't it the same? Why did the other one not grab? Wait, what's this one?
Yeah. Okay, should I try?
Do you want to see this one first? It looks like a bunny.
Okay. Need this one.
Yeah. We got this. Aim more for the head. Actually, aim for the whole body though. That's good. What? Was this not the one that I got? Wait.
Yes.
Got a lot kid, guys.
Gotta lock it. That's so funny. Oh yeah. Guys, look at the skills.
I swear if this is the same as all the other ones.
Me too. I'm gonna be so sad. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! That's so messed up.
I know. I'll pick the one. Because mine grabbed it. It genuinely grabbed it. Do you want me to get one for you?
Yes.
Do you want to to try this one because that's different than that one.
Okay, yeah, sure. I feel bad. I'm like using all the fucking credits.
No, go ahead. I'm satisfied with what I have. Let me do it.
Yes. I believe in you. I'll record you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders. You don't feel the same. Oh, the birds listening to you harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. How I got one day.
Yes.
Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. Now sound like a loon, but don't you feel it too? Yes, I love you from the start.
Yada babada, badi di bada bada, yada bada, yabada bada bada.
What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get you today. That when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through it. Shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it too? 'Cause I loved you from the start.
Yeehaw!
That's where we're at.
Just for all the those at the cowboy ass
You want my
town.
plushie like I'm being for real?
No. I want you.
We're doing hope today to my lover. I never lie. Said be true. I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. It's out his head. I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, he is mine. In the end, it's I.
65 speeding up 50. I don't
Combo. And he don't know.
Ooh.
Then I dug my key into the side of his pretty little souped up four-wheel drive. Carved my name into his leather seats. Louisville, slung in a tongue, but at a more tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he cheats. Trash version of Shania Karaoke. Right now, she's probably thinking I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom polo.
bathroom polo.
And he don't.
Before he cheats on me.